Want to hop back in?
Yeah, I have the old GoPro on a tripod.
You gotta keep your arms inside.
Hey, you want to see some carnage? This is what happened to the Green Integra last Wednesday night. We took it. Car ran at 1250 on the first pass. It felt flat, not making any power. Oil light came on, and by the time we get back, it was knocking. So we thought actually we spun a bearing. Turns out the oil pump took a shit. That'll be it for this engine. We're gonna be, well, it's rebuildable, so we are gonna rebuild it. But here's another K24. Man, I tell you, these things are a dime a dozen. So let me go strip this thing down. Today's Wednesday. It's been a week later. Here's the pass when this thing broke. Yeah, so that was the last pass. So by the time I woke up Saturday morning, my son already got the engine out. And on Sunday, I was working on some, yard work and stuff, and he tore it down. So that's why there's no video. But he wants me to put his transmission on this, and we're gonna put this on the EG. Hopefully we can make it by this Sunday. So we have about 4 days. You saw me put this thing together. We were gonna put this in Alex's car, but I called him up. I told him what happened. I'll tell him I'll get him another K24. It's just we don't have enough time to go to West Sac and pick another one up. I'll probably pick one up next week, and he was okay with it. So yeah, let's get this thing going. Okay, so we got the clutch and flywheel torqued, bolted. Let's get rid of all this garbage that's here and get this thing stripped down and get it ready. So yeah, little update. Working kind of slow, but this is all I've got to do today. So I'm gonna work slow and take my time. Okay, so it's been about 20-30 minutes. Actually, no, almost an hour. Got the manifold, both of them, intake and exhaust. Got the accessories up. I think I have a water pump for it. So let me go find it and I'll change it. I have a 50-degree wheel, so I'm contemplating of putting it on or not. I guess by the end of this video, you'll find out if I put it on. Yeah, this thing has a chip on it, and probably when they shipped it. Hopefully everything's okay. I do have another one of those. I gotta replace this thing right here. I gotta find a plug for this so we don't run a water, a heater core. If not, I'll do it like the other one where I just capped it right there. It's lunchtime, so I'm probably gonna go to lunch and then come back to this. I'm trying to get this thing all swapped ready by the end of the day. We'll see. When I come back, I'm gonna put the transmission on it. Probably, I won't put the intake manifold on yet. Hello guys. So it's actually the next day. Got this thing put back together. Now let's put the cover on, valve cover back on, and transmission, and transfer all the accessories. Let's put some silicone. I think that's all there is. Okay, let's go adjust the valves. So specs calls for 8 or 9 or 25, 22. We're gonna put it a little bit on the high side. So we're gonna put exhaust on 28. It's a little too tight. So it's the intake. Now there is a special tool for that I have, but I am too lazy to go walk back. So long as I have a flathead screwdriver, we're gonna be okay. Right there. So we're just gonna go by firing order. So next one is 1, 3, 4, number 3. So you put that arrow that way. So 1, 3, 4, 2. Now you want the arrow pointing straight down. We'll be back in business soon. That part is done. Let's work on getting the transmission on. Let's spin this to where I can get the transmission. All right, guys, let's put the transmission on. Oh, come on. Okay, so we're running out of room in the GoPro, so can't keep it running. So we got the transmission on. I got the K-tuned, whatever you call this, transferred over. The K-tuned K24 bracket. Next thing I'm gonna do is transfer this guy. Okay, kinda got carried away, but the engine is put back together. I'm gonna wait for my son to decide what he's gonna do about the intake manifold. Not sure if we're gonna just cap this. This is for the oil cooler, or we're gonna transfer the oil cooler, because that oil cooler might have a whole bunch of metal shavings inside it that I don't want to end up here. So we might just cap this off. It'll be all right if we do. Other than that, this thing's ready to go in. We might go ahead and put it in and worry about the manifold, and that once it's in the car. So I'm gonna end this video right here. The next video we'll see is us putting it in the car and getting the car running, then CMI. It's Thursday now, so CMI is this Sunday. Hopefully we'll have this thing in by tomorrow, running by tomorrow night, so we can at least shake the car down Saturday. If not, hopefully we get it running by Saturday. All right, well, till next time.